everyone, how are you all doing? This is Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. This channel is mostly about yarn and crochet, but I do some other crafts, and I'm going to be working on a shadow box craft room, and yeah, I needed some white paint. I have this little shelving unit here, and it's in black. When I had showed you my pieces for the shadow box, I had asked what color, like should I paint this or not, and if so, what color. So a lot of you had said paint it white to match the legs on the table. So I thought that was an awesome idea. Yeah, so that's a craft table. This is the yarn shelving. So I went to Dollarama today. I just got back a little while ago. Went there to get their acrylic paint. Normally they have them in the, you know, the bottles. They're, I don't know, about that big and round. Well, apparently they don't, they're not carrying them anymore, because I only saw one color, and I think it was a yellow, bright yellow color, and that's all they had. They don't even have the shelves set up anymore for them. But I came across this. Now this, oh, sorry for the glare. This is Artist Series acrylic paints, and you actually get 10 different colors. They're 12 milliliter each. So they're just really tiny in here, but this was only $2. So I'm just gonna take this out and have a peek. So this is what it is. There's 10 colors. There's the white that I need. They're in a tube-like thing. So I guess you have to maybe put them in a container. Squirt a little bit into a container, a little tiny bowl or something, and just mix it up and use it. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna try that. Probably not today. But yeah, so I have a whole bunch of different colors now, which is really cool because I could use them for other things probably. All right, so $2 for that. So I thought that was a really good deal. And then I just got some Butterfingers, which at one point I didn't realize that Canada had Butterfingers. I actually did a swap with someone, another channel, quite a while back. And she sent me a whole bunch of Butterfingers, but they have them at Dollarama, and they have them at, you know, Safeway, and I'm not sure where else. But if you like Butterfingers, Dollarama has them. And how much are they at Dollarama? Let me see here. Where does it say? Oh, they're 82 cents each. So yeah, got 4 of those. Love those. I also got a nozzle. I don't know if you're interested, but here it is. It's a Schmidt nozzle, 8-way jets. There's cone, shower, full, flat, vertical, center, stream, and mist. And this was $2.50. And I don't know if they fit on all hoses or how it works, but it's worth a try, so I'll have to try that out later on my hose. And then I got a few things to put in Happy Mail. A couple of Canada pens. These were $1.25 for 2 pens. And I got some fridge magnets, Canada fridge magnets with the moose and the beaver. And they're made out of rubber, flexible. They were $1.50. So I got 3 of those because I like to stick, you know, Canada things in Happy Mail. And I just happened to go down where they had the shampoos and things, and then I saw this. Mark Anthony True Professional Gray Root Touch-Up, light to medium brown was the only color they had. Salon quality, covers gray. It's just a spray, root touch-up spray. And the other brands you can get are really expensive. Walmart carries a brand Rexall carries a brand, but Rexall is, I couldn't believe it when I looked at their cans. $17? What? That is outrageous. So this one was $4 at Dollarama. 63 milliliters, 43 grams, net weight 1.5 ounces. So wow, $4. So I only grabbed one just to try it out. Yes, my roots are showing. I really need to color my hair. I need to cut my hair. I need to do a lot of things. And then I found these really, really cool Canada notebook books. Let's smooth this camera back a little bit. They're the 3D. I'm not sure if you can see that. The 3D. They are gorgeous. Oh man, I'm getting lines across it there. But oh, they are just so gorgeous to see them in person. So these are going in Happy Mail or giveaway winnings. So yeah, and they're lined paper. And they have the spiral center there. So these were, sorry about that glare, $3.50. So there's these beautiful wolves in the 3D. And then there's also these beautiful wolves. That's also 3D. I don't know if you could see it. Wow, those lines really show up there. And then look at this with the dream catcher. The wolves down at the bottom, and then there's some rocks. Aren't they beautiful? So yes, giveaways are Happy Mail. Yeah, so yeah, $3.50. So that is it for, oh no, it's not. I do have one more thing. Let me just take her down. I got a new head. I got a new head, but she's kind of small, kind of a small head. So I had to fold the hat over. Normally it's not, this one isn't worn like that, but her head is so small. Otherwise it wouldn't be flat. Oh gee, my camera's turning. Stop that. And then I had a scarf wrapped around her here. This is my own design. I'll put that tutorial below for the hat and scarf. So, yeah. Because I don't know if you've seen my other head, but she was kind of scary. So yeah, this head was $4 at Dollarama. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.